Hey everyone! So today we are making delicious Korean vegetable pancakes, and they are loaded with veggies like carrots and cucumbers and scallions, and it just fries up into this really crispy amazingness with an amazing garlic soy sauce. So I can't wait to show you all the recipe. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by cutting up some leeks with this handy dandy device, and I will put that link down below. But you want somewhere between 2.5 to 3 cups of vegetables, and I'll be working with carrots today as well as some zucchini, and you just pick the ones that don't emit too many liquids. Now, time for the batter. I have a gluten-free flour mix that I will include in the recipe down below, but I have a 1/2 cup of that along with a 1/2 cup of chickpea flour, which fries up really well, but also adds a nice amount of protein to the batter. I have 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt that I'm going to mix well in before I add 3/4 of a cup of soda water, which will make the batter nice and light and airy. So you want to go ahead and let the batter rest for about 15 minutes before starting to fry it. So I have a couple tablespoons of oil here over medium to medium-high heat, and you are kind of shallow frying this. Make the pancakes as big or as small as you want, but make sure to flatten it so that it's really not too thick. And also, obviously, the smaller the pancake, the easier it is going to turn later. So this sauce I use for all of my pancakes. I do about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and this is way too much vinegar. I'd say like a 1/2 tablespoon maybe. A little bit of water just to thin out everything. So about 2 tablespoons of that. I add a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and that makes it super savory. Like, this sauce is the best. And around a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, and just mix all of that together. You can top it off with some roasted sesame seeds if you want, which is, you know, a nice touch. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed that really delicious Korean vegetable pancake recipe. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you all again next time. Bye!